Did you know there's a hotel room that nobody can stay in for more than one night? Room 207 at the Stanley Hotel has a dark secret. Guests check in normally, but by morning, they're begging to leave. People report the same terrifying experience. Around 3 in the morning, they wake up to the sound of children laughing in the hallway. But when they look outside, the hall is completely empty. Then it gets worse. The bathroom faucets turn on by themselves. The temperature drops so fast you can see your breath, and guests hear someone walking around their room, even though they're alone. One woman said she felt invisible hands tucking her into bed. A man reported seeing a little girl standing at the foot of his bed, just staring at him. The hotel staff knows about room 207, but they still rent it out. Would you be brave enough to spend one night in that room? Comment below if you take the challenge, and follow for more spine-chilling mysteries.